Hello, class. This is Professor Wilson. Welcome to CTC 101. Really excited to have you in my class this term, and I'm looking forward to a successful term in helping you grow and develop in our course. Just wanted to highlight a few things. I find that students who are successful in our course tend to do these three things. One, they're timely with their assignments, meaning they meet all deadlines. Two, they're really actively engaged in our course, whether that's responding to me or their classmates, and in general, just responding to each other in engagement. And an online class engagement is really critical. And I think three, but most importantly, they utilize the wonderful resources POST has to offer, whether that's Grammarly or Academic Writer. These are great resources that will help you develop and help you reach your academic potential. I look forward to seeing you all when our class opens on Monday, August 29th. As usual, don't hesitate. If you need anything, feel free to reach out to me, your ASC, always here to help and support you in any way we can. Go Eagles.